Hi guys! So today I'm going to be doing a BOXYCHARM video. I don't have any makeup on because I'm going to be trying to do another video after this one. So that's why I look like this. So beautiful. Here's my box, my little box. So this month is Totallyboxy. So cute. My favorite color is pink. So I love this box. Beautiful. The first item is Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh powder. It's a loose powder. The value is $39. That's amazing. There's the box. That's a beautiful powder. Wow. I never tried this before. I heard it was good, so I'm really excited to try this. I will definitely be using this in the future, and I'll let you know if I like it. Okay. So number 2 is Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. It says it's supposed to give you a youthful glow. It says it doesn't matter what your skin type is, but I don't know about that. I don't think I'm gonna keep this one because my skin is very oily. So I don't know about putting an oil on top of my oily skin. It says it doesn't matter about the skin type, but I find that hard to believe. I don't know. That's just strange. It's very cute and pink. It says it has black currant seed oil and niacinamide. So the value of that is $42. Wow. The third thing in the box is a Tarte mascara. The value of that is $23. Looks like these. I'm using another mascara right now, but when I'm finished with that one, then I'm gonna try this. But, ooh, it's cute. Ooh, it feels so good. Wow, that feels expensive. That's really nice. That is so beautiful. I'm so excited to try it. Number 4 is the Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow Duo. They look so pretty. This one is Cotton Candy, and this one is Iced Latte. Iced Latte. It's so soft. Wow. It's kind of like a copper, like a true copper color. Now, Cotton Candy. That is so pretty. I don't have any colors like this, so I'm really excited about this one. The last thing is a Steve Laurent lip liner. Here it is. I think the color is called Vogue, and it's worth $15, so I don't know. I might keep it. I don't love lip liners. I just don't use them a lot, so someone else might like this better than me. We'll see. I don't know. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, please subscribe for more beauty videos using sign language. I hope you have a great day. Bye.